Hello everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to activate mirror mode. How to activate mirror mode in Google Meet. First thing I'll do is open up the app. So we've done that. The next thing you're going to click on the three lines at the top left corner. It opens up three options: privacy in Meet, settings, or help and feedback. You will click on settings. That opens up four options: accounts, calling settings, meeting settings, and blocked user. Now you are going to click on calling settings. This opens up four options again: calling account, in-call settings, message settings, and notification. Click on in-call settings. This opens up five options: knock for this device, low light mode, mirror mode, moments, and data saving mode. And it is mirror mode we're trying to activate because it will allow you to make a mirror when you look at yourself. So you click Ignite is turned on. But if you do not want this option to be on, you simply turn it off. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Till next time, bye bye.